Hello everyone. In today's lesson I am going to explain about algebraic identities. What are the algebraic identities? And the first three identities I already explained in my previous video. For that you can check the link in my comment section. So today I am going to explain the next three or next four identities that start from here, like a plus b plus c whole square. Then a plus b plus c square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. In that case, we can have further options with the negative sign. We can have like minus a plus b plus c, or we can have negative b, or we can have negative c. Then those values will change accordingly. That we can see in further examples. So today I will take the examples one by one. Let's start with the example a plus b plus c whole square. Later on we will take all other example also. So let's start with taking example of this. First example, and this we have to expand 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. So we will use the identity a plus b plus c whole square. So how can we write it? We can write it as 3a square plus 4b square plus 5c square. According to identity, next term is 2ab, means twice. Here we have 3a and 4b. Then next term will be twice bc. Here we have 4b and 5c. The next term is twice ac. Here we have 5c and 3a. Now let's solve it. 3a whole square will give us 9a square. 4b whole square will give us 16b square. 5c whole square will give us 25c square. Now this one, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24ab. Next we have 4 times 2 is 8 times 5 is 40bc plus twice of 5 is 10, 10 times 3 is 30ac. So this is the expanded form of 3a plus b, 4b plus 5c whole square. As I told, we can have any negative term. So based on that, I am going to another example like 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. So formula will be same like we expand the previous one, but in this sign will change accordingly. How can we write? We can write as 4a whole square plus minus 2b whole square, because here we have negative 2b. Next, again we have negative term, so we will write minus 3 whole square. Then we have plus 2ab. 2, in place of a we have 4a, in place of b we have minus 2b, negative 2b. Then we have another term twice bc. b is minus 2b and c is negative 3c. Then we have 2ac. Here a is 4a and c is minus 3c. Simple. Here the formula is same, but we just take care of the sign and put the negative sign accordingly. Now let's expand it. 4a square will give us 16a square plus negative square of a negative term will always be a positive term. So it will give us 4b square plus 9c square. Now here we have to see, here we have only one negative term. So we will get negative 2 times 4 is 8 times 2 is 16 AB. Again over here we have negative 2b and negative 3c. So finally it will give us a positive term. Twice of 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. B, C. Here we have only one negative term. So we will get plus minus will give a negative term. Twice of 4 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. A, C. So here you can see how the signs are changed in positive to negative. Accordingly we have to take care. But the formula will remain same. Similarly, we can have minus 4a or plus 2b minus cc. We can mix and match the terms and can solve by using the same formula. Based on same identity, let's take some other kind of examples, like if we have a given value like a square plus b square plus c square equals to 16. We have given that in the question, and AB plus BC plus CA equals to 10. That in that case we have to find out the value of A plus B plus C. So clearly here we are using the identity A plus B plus C whole square. So in the expanded form we can write it A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC plus CA. So here we have given value A square plus B square plus C square 16 and AB plus BC plus C equals to 10. So let's put the values. So here we will get A plus B plus C whole square equals to, in that place we can put 16 plus, then here we can put twice, here in place of this we can put 10. So what we will get here, A plus B plus C whole square equals to 16 plus 20. It will give us 36. So but here we have to find out the value of A plus B plus C. For this what we will do, we will square root on both the sides. Right, so here we will get A plus B plus C, and clearly 36 is the square of number 6. So we get the value of A plus B plus C as 6. So next example we can have like 4x square plus y square plus 25z square plus 4xy minus 10yz and minus 20zx. Here we have to find out the value of this full expression, where we have given that x equals to 4, y equals to 3 and z equals to 2. So let's use the same identity, A plus B plus C whole square. So we can consider as A equals to, here we can write as 2x, B equals to y and C equals to 5z. So how can we write it? It can be 2x whole square plus y square plus 5z square. So it will come as 2ab. Here we have 2x times y plus, clearly here we can see we have negative sign wherever we have z. So it means we have negative 5z as a C term, because here we have z, here we have z, and both the terms we get as negative. So what we will do, we will write it as 2y minus 5z plus 2 minus 5z times 2x. So from there what we can see? We can see it can be written as 2x plus y minus 5z whole square. If you see, it will give us 4x square, which is equal to this y square 25z square. If we simplify this, what we will get? 4xy. Simplify this, it will give us minus 10yz. Simplify 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20. It will give us negative 20. So we get as is a 2x plus y minus 5z whole square. Now let's put the values of x, y and z. So what we will get? 2 times 4 plus 3 minus 5 times 2 whole square. It will give us 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 minus 10 whole square. It will give us 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 10 is 1. 1 square, it will give us 1. So from this what we get? We get the value of this expression as 1. Next example I will take where we have to simplify the expression. Like we have given x plus y minus 2z whole square minus x square minus y square minus 3z square plus 4xy. So we have to simplify this expression. So let's start by expanding this. So we can expand it like x square plus y square plus 4z square plus 2ab. It will give us 2xy. 2bc plus 2b is y, c is minus 2z plus 2ca. c is minus 2z and a is x. Next we have minus x square minus y square minus 3z square plus 4xy. So it will give us x square plus y square plus 4z square plus 2xy. This term will give us minus 4yz. This term will give us minus 4zx. Then we have minus x square minus y square minus 3z square plus 4xy. So we will solve it. Here we can see x square can be cancelled or we will get 0 with this. Y square, here we will get y 0. So then we have 4z square minus 3z square. What we are doing? We are just collecting the like terms. So we left with z square. Now we have plus 2xy plus 4xy. It will give us 6xy. Then we left with minus 4yz minus 4zx. So after simplifying this expression, we left with this answer. So in today's lesson, I explained the identity a plus b plus c whole square and took some examples on this. So I tried to explain every kind of the questions where we can expand it, we can simplify the expressions, and if we have given certain values, so how to find out the value of the expression. So in my next video I will explain another two identities, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, and another one. If you have any doubt or any particular question, you can just write me on my comment section, and just wait for my next video where I will explain the cubic of the expressions. So till then, thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos.